Rata is a manufacturing-based company. We're based here in the heart of South Canterbury in Winchester, where our manufacturing facility is, and we manufacture a range of front-end loader attachments for tractors and loaders for the agricultural industry. And our flagship product is the Power Claw, which is sold extensively throughout New Zealand and Australia.
We employ about 30 staff here on site, with a couple of guys over in Australia now. So we manufacture all Rata parts here on site in Winchester. So that involves cutting steel, welding, painting and assembly.
And we relish in making our customers' lives easier every day.
Before we had QuickStock, we had a similar cabinet, but how the system would work would be one of the guys on the factory would go in and find that he'd got the last pair of gloves. So we hadn't got any for the next guy. He would then go and tell the goods inwards guy, who would send me an email saying we need to order some more gloves from Euromarc, which I would then process the order, send it off to Euromarc and they would deliver.
The fact we had multiple suppliers, we were doing multiple purchase orders every month, which obviously led to downtime in the factory and frustrated fabrication staff.
The consumable inventory was an absolute nightmare. We were always running out of day-to-day consumables like grinding discs or gloves, and it was just a waste of time.
Probably the main cost would be the staff time and the inefficiency of, if it's a grinding disc then it's worn out, then it's not going to work and they can't do any grinding. Also my time and then the freight cost, I imagine, for all the extra orders we used to do.
And we thought that there must be a better way of handling this. So we decided to give QuickStock a go because we'd seen it used effectively in other manufacturing companies.
We wanted to improve efficiency and make sure that all those consumable items were available when they were needed.
It was a no-brainer.
So we've got everything in here the boys need. They can just come and help themselves. They don't have to sign anything or tell anyone, grab a grinding disc, whatever. Got a cool little tray that pulls out here that's got all our drill bits in it. If they need a drill bit, it's all there. They always know it's going to be full. And yeah, it's a really cool system. Highly recommend it and glad we've stuck it in.
QuickStock has improved our business. It has made us more efficient, reduced the amount of orders we do to our consumable suppliers, and has helped the fabrication team to work efficiently by having the right stock at the right time.
So initially we thought that we'd have to pay for the stock that was put in the cabinet to start with, but we then realised that we were paying once we'd used it, so that made it a lot easier for us.
We've never had any issues with the QuickStock system. It's always been well stocked, well replenished, and we've never had any stockouts or late deliveries since.
I'd definitely recommend QuickStock to other companies. It improves efficiency.
I definitely recommend QuickStock to other manufacturing companies. We really appreciate QuickStock and Euromarc service, and we appreciate free chocolate biscuits.
There's an old saying, you take away the excuses and the work gets done, and I think that's what helps. Now no one has to worry about it anymore, and it's absolutely fantastic. Excellent system.